I'm Cindy. I'm a cooking instructor from Food Playground. Today, I'm presenting you the fish maw soup. This is a soup for my family, a food with love for them. Food is my love language. I know my sons love seafood. Chili crab is the best, so I will cook that for him during his birthday. Even sometimes his friends come, I will try to cook dishes like special one like fish and chip, own make tartar sauce. And for my daughter, when I see she has exam stress, so when she come back to school, I will cook something nice for her. When she open the lid, is impressed. She'll find, wow, this is a beautiful day and beautiful lunch for her. I'm lucky that my parents is a hawker still. I follow them past 3 to 4 years. So I also had their experience. I should say it's hard work, a lot of time committed from purchasing of food, ingredients, and then preparation, because it's not only cooking for 10, but it's over 100. So the preparation work is tough. I think both my kids, they actually pick up some cooking skill also, even now, because they watch me cook. It's good for them to just hands-on, and because this is the best survival skill for them. So I will just let go, let them do. So now both of them can actually cook their own meal, even I'm not around. That's why I say no pain, no gain. In Singapore, actually, the rental is high. Looking for labor is also difficult. A lot of things need to arrange. So I think that's up to them to decide whether once or not. If let's say one day they say they want to try, I'll give them the support. Today I'll be going to make the fish maw soup, and as an imitation of shark fin soup. This actually my mom cooked very good shark fin soup. This is why today I get this soup, because of some reason. So let me just have the soup to boil. Once the soup boils, I can put in all the ingredients. So all the ingredients is like very finely striped, cut, so that it's not in a big chunk. And I keep stirring. Okay, so now I can add on the egg white. Okay, now you see that the soup is... Okay, this is, my mom always teach me this, okay? Have a good swirl, and then when I put in the egg, do not over stir it, so that the egg can have a lacy kind of look. It won't be so mushy. Okay, now this is just like the real shark fin. Okay, with that, I would add some coriander leaf, and then vinegar, pepper. Okay, done. This is my fish maw soup.